Let me ask you a question. What connects JP Morgan to OnlyFans? What is both employed by Lloyds Bank and Booking.com? The answer is fintech. The buzzword has been thrown around in the financial industry at the same volume and velocity as terms like cryptocurrency and NFTs. The frequent use of the term fintech has left many wondering what it is, why it is relevant to the economy, or indeed why it is relevant to their own personal wealth. I am here today at the Excel Centre in the Docklands area in East London to attend the Fintech Connect 2023 event, which brings together the entire fintech ecosystem to connect and share their expertise on the subject. Come along as I take you through the journey to discover the different aspects of financial technology from paytech to Web3 as we uncover the present and the future of financial technology. Hey, hi. How you doing?
Good, thanks. How are you?
I'm doing great. So can you just take me through what you do and what role you play in the wider fintech ecosystem?
Yeah, absolutely. So, because these are teams for high-performing software organizations, for companies that work in regulated environments. So, within fintech, that covers a broad range of those kinds of organizations. We help the teams to document and record the evidence that they're following their regulatory processes, enabling them to have continuous compliance and a zero-day audit.
Right. So what difficulties have you seen? Because there's a lot of hoo-ha about ethics and trying to maintain compliance. Different states, different governments have different rules. So what are some of the difficulties that you have faced?
So for the types of teams that we work with, the software teams, they've already figured out how to deliver frequently. They're high-performing teams. They can ship their software really quickly. But then when it comes to audit time, they have to go and gather all of the evidence manually. So it means people are running through various different systems, finding the evidence, taking screenshots, creating spreadsheets, and we take all of that pain away from them so that it's happening as they work.
It's almost automating the process.
Exactly that, yeah.
Oh, thank you very much for talking to us.
Thanks for your time.
So you guys have a very impressive booth here today. Can you take us through why you're here, what you want to achieve in this event?
Absolutely. Well, through the experience that we've had with fintech, we're showcasing three main areas today. Starting off, from behind, as you can see, we've got our Experience Cloud, we've got our Document Cloud, and we've got our Creative Cloud. Now, these are the three pillars of Adobe. And today we're just showcasing how we can support businesses in the fintech industry, ranging from your HSBCs, providing them with support on how we can support them with their loan applications or mortgage applications, to even talking around Firefly, our AI conversations around Adobe Express and how that can almost streamline the workflow process for many customers within the industry, and just to outline that we're not just a company that's around Photoshop, but we're also around managing customer data and how that can provide insights into making key business decisions.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, man.
My name's Aidan. I'm the marketing manager here at Giant iTab. We're most notorious for our Giant smartphone range. The majority of our clients are exhibitors and event organisers. They'll be using our kit to showcase event apps, presentations, websites, and any digital content feasible to help create a better visitor experience for their delegates and for their essentially event partners and visitors. Equally, we do this iTab portable. It comes in this trolley case here. This is a brand new addition to the Giant iTab family. It's hassle-free and you can just walk it straight through the door. We've created this product to mitigate the ever problematic delivery fees and installation costs. So this product creates the same Giant iTab look and feel, but a more portable version.
Hi, I'm Nadir. I'm here from Rise, created by Barclays. I head up Rise London, and we're here to meet really exciting fintechs and meet other companies here that are doing some really cool stuff around innovation. Rise is a global innovation facility. We're based in London and in New York, and we house some of the most exciting fintechs in the world. And we work with Barclays to identify business unit problems, connect these fintechs to those business unit problems, and really be a hub of innovation, knowledge, and amazing stuff.
Right, so can you please tell me a bit about yourself, what you do, and how you fit into the wider fintech ecosystem?
Hi, I'm Santosh. I'm the founder and CEO at DLT Apps. Yeah. We are an innovative product incubator. Yeah. So our primary focus at this point in time is wealth and asset management. and the problems that we are trying to solve are the problems that the industry is currently seeing today, which is asset managers of today are facing increased costs because their IT and their technology costs are increasing, because they're facing decreased costs because the profit margins are going down, because historically within this country interest rates have been at a historically low, which means savings, customers who are saving their monies in bank accounts would never get any yield on their returns, so they found investing in funds a viable alternative. Yeah. But now with increased costs, so the customers have been removing funds or money from their fund investments and putting them back into the savings account, which is deemed less risky. So what we do within DLT is try and find that optimal path for asset managers to reduce their operational costs and increase their profits in line with the net outflows that they currently see.
Right. So where do you see yourself within? So do you see yourself as a facilitator helping out financial institutions, or do you see yourself as a different thing?
We are a product company, so we build products that help across the ecosystem. So the way the wealth and asset management does its business, we're not going to change the ecosystem of what they're doing, but we're trying to be cleverer within the ecosystem itself by having our products do the majority of it, try and remove the friction points that exist with too many players in the market. So try and find, so for example, if you look at any financial institution today as part of their transformation, what they're trying to do is do a bit of the digital front-end modernization, but their existing legacy stroke monolith stays the same.
Right.
But what we are trying to do is address that big monolith that exists within the system and try and remove that from the ecosystem and add our products that can provide similar services, if not better, and then pave the way for us to have modern technologies, modern architecture, cloud-based architectures, AI, ML within the architectures that what our products are, and that's what these products do.
Right. Thank you very much for showing.
Hi, my name is Matt Alton. I'm co-founder of the Future of the Office. We're here at the Fintech Connect 2023, introducing the future of the office to a number of fintech firms here. We're really focused on creating office spaces that help tech firms to grow, to scale, and to achieve their ambitious business goals. We do this through using techniques like Agile Scrum in the build process. We can achieve a build in dramatically shorter time than anyone else in the industry, taking about 3 to 6 weeks to do a design and about 6 weeks to implement an office space.
So Imagine Consulting are a global IT and change consultancy. We focus in the UK predominantly on banks and fintechs and the wider financial services, predominantly on things like IT development, change transformation, regulatory risk and compliance.
A couple of reasons really. It's to meet with our current clients. Many have come along with us today, but also to learn more information about fintechs and how we can partner them through their own implementations with their client base. We're here today for a couple of reasons really, to meet our current clients who have come here, but also it's to partner with fintechs and be introduced to fintechs, so hopefully we can be implementation partners with them for their client base as well.
Hi, I'm Nick. I'm doing business development for Beetroot. So yeah, aside from being like a great vegetable, it's also a software development company, essentially like a social IT enterprise, working with impactful product companies around the globe. So we specifically focus our avenues on, health tech, educational tech, and green tech. Basically, it's a part of our, social impact mission that we, bring to everyone who we come across with, business-wise partnerships. And essentially what we do is, we help our clients, partners bring up impactful tech products. And here we basically exploring impactful fintech opportunities for us, because I mean we have a few interesting reactive though partnerships with fintechs, product startups. But yeah, we're like open, you know, to networking and exploring more about interesting things that we can basically partner up together and yeah, bring more impact to the world. So yeah, this is pretty much it.